Hello friends. Today I'm going to read you this story called I Am a Leaf. Now, it's a story from the point of view of a leaf. Point of view means that that's who's telling the story. Okay, so the leaf is telling the story. So that makes it fiction, which means that it's pretend, but it's got a lot of real information in it that we can learn about leaves. Okay, so the author of this book is Jean Marzolo, and she wrote the story. The illustrator is Judith Moffett, and the title is I Am a Leaf. All right, this sounds like fun. Hi, I'm a leaf. I live on a maple tree. Do you see the ladybug? She's crawling on me and it tickles. That's funny. Many leaves live in my tree. We have a summer job. We make tree food. We make it from air and sunlight. That sun feels good. Sometimes the sun really does feel good, doesn't it? We also need water to make tree food. Rainwater goes into the soil down here, and it goes into the tree's roots down here. You see that? It goes up the tree, and it flows into my veins. The veins are like little pipes that bring the water to him. Look at that dog trying to catch a raindrop. Have you ever done that? I mix sunlight, air, and water. Then I add something green. It's called chlorophyll. Can you say that? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is green, and it makes me green. That's why leaves are green, is they have chlorophyll. That's interesting. All summer long, I have made tree food. Once a caterpillar came by, nibble, nibble, nibble. It ate a little hole in me. Right there. But I still did my job. Once, a spider came by. Busy, busy, busy. It made a big web. You see the web? But I still did my job. Once, a squirrel jumped on me. Boing, boing, boing. He ran right over me. But I still did my job. Now, fall has come. My work is over. My green goes away. And now, I am red, yellow, orange. It's party time! All the leaves in my tree are turning colors. The people say, ooh, ah, so pretty. Look at all those beautiful leaves. That lady right there, she's taking a picture because it's so pretty. And this lady over here, she's so excited about how pretty it is. Would you look at that? Oh, look at that. Yeah, I think that's what she might be saying. The wind blows, and we break away. We dance in the wind. Whee! And gently we land on the ground. And we rest. Winter has come. The forest is white with snow. Some trees stay green. They're called evergreens. That makes sense. I like those bunnies. They're cute. And also the cardinals in the tree. Do you see them? Slowly, slowly, the leaves, the old leaves, turn to soil. And the soil holds the roots. And the roots, the soil holds the root, and the soil holds water, and the soil holds animals sleeping in their dens. When winter is over, the soil warms. Hi, I'm a baby leaf. Spring is here. I'm the first bud to sprout on my tree. I'm growing fast, and soon I'll get a job. What will it be? That sun feels good. What will that leaf's job be? Do you remember? His job was to make food for the tree food, with water, air, and sunlight. That's how he made tree food. Now, here's some more about leaves in the back here. It says leaves come in many sizes and shapes. Most leaves make food for their plants. Which leaves are good for people to eat? Salad leaves. Yeah, lettuce and spinach and cabbage and arugula, which is fun to say. Arugula. Yeah. Salad leaves are good to eat for people. I hope you liked that book. I had fun reading it. I am a leaf. Have a great day.